So we've arrived at a hip camp, sort of between Toowoomba and Dalby, called Runella. I assume that's how it's pronounced. It's been raining all day. When we were in Brisbane earlier today, it was throwing it down. It was just wet as. So we haven't got much to show you here. It's not that late, but with the overcastness, it is a little bit dark. How good would this have been if the weather was fine? This fire pit area here. Now there's a homesteady cabin thing here that you can also rent out. There's nobody here at the moment, so at least we've got access to the loo in there. Hey, a cottage? A cottage. But apparently the sunsets out there are supposed to be pretty good. And the sky, or the stargazing, is supposed to be pretty good. But I guess that's not going to be happening for us tonight. However, we did today get our batwing awning fitted. So should we have a crack at getting that out?
There's a perfectly good couch in there that we could use. The roof.
Yes, yeah. We're sort of, do we just sleep in there tonight? But yeah, no. Well,
new toy, must play.
New toy, must play, yep. So if you notice, this is a bit different because the batwing's up. So we've got the new batwing awning fitted today. It's up.
And it's raining. But
it's raining again. And whilst they had the batwing, they didn't actually have the walls made yet, which is a bit of a shame. But anyway, we'll have them by the end of the week apparently. So we've just use these shady gear things for the time being, which is okay.
Well, they're working.
They're doing okay, but not as good as the actual walls would be. The batwing went up pretty easily. Packing it up tomorrow morning is another thing again. And, we've got to figure out what we do about lighting the area. Well, I've got to fix that for a start. That's broken. That guy kind of works. Anyway, should be better tomorrow night because hopefully we will arrive when there's still some daylight left.
Yes.
It got a bit late when we got it. Like, it was only a bit after 5 o'clock, but it was just dark.
Well, I mean, apart from the black clouds above us.
Yeah. It is getting that time of year.
We're getting to that time of year, so...
We are really fortunate here, though, that this hip camp wrap called, whatever it's called, I'll stick the name on the screen. There's like a cottage next to us, which is also one of the things you could get on this hip camp. You can either just get the side-by-side or the cottage. And there's nobody in the cottage at the moment, so Dennis, the host, basically said, look, if we want to sort of get in there and stay out of the rain tonight, then he didn't mind, seeing as how it's vacant anyway. So
well, there's a couch. We haven't had one of those in a while.
There is a couch in there, so we might show you that a little bit later.
It's a wonderfully rustic, authentic.
It's very cool. It's very old.
It's got the original icebox and everything.
Anyway, we'll show you that shortly. In the meantime, tarragon chicken.
Tarragon chicken.
We're sort of going to be leftovers, but seeing how sort of cold and wet it is, I became demanding and wanted something hot. No comment?
It's not demanding when you ask me to cook for you.
I suppose.
I was just thinking we've got other stuff there that can be used, and if this is what your preference is, then my job to look after you. As I told everybody at the puddle, you look after everything with where we're going, I'll look after food. So if your food is...
Yep, well, I got us here in one piece, so...
I hate cans. See, it wasn't just me. It's a horrible thing to open.
Is it normally solid like that?
When it's cooler, yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
So I just want the good bits on the top.
Do you have a bin out yet?
Yes.
You do, right.
Yeah, give me that. I'll
actually, yeah, well, yeah. You want those bits?
Yeah, that's the good bits. I think every one of our tea towels is saturated.
They are all saturated. Yeah, we've got no dry towels left.
Packing up in the rain was no fun. We had arrived here after 5 o'clock and my hair was still damp this morning.
Yeah.
Ugh. The chairs. This is going to be cute. The wine on the table. Need a candlelight.
Yeah, I can't really furnish you with one of those right now. We can kind of put this here, I suppose. Oop, that's not too bad. The prop walls for these things actually come out at an angle, which gives a bit more space. I've just got these things hanging straight down at the moment. So one thing I don't really know yet is how the water's going to pool on here. So that leg's short, that leg's short, that leg's tall, that leg's tall, whoop, that leg's tall. All right, so how are we going? Ready?
Dinner is served. Tablecloth would have been nice.
Tablecloth would have been nice. I was just going to say, look at all the stars. Nice.
Bit black out there.
It is a bit black out there. Alright, so we've had more rain. Everything is kind of saturated. I don't think we have a dry towel left.
Yeah, we do actually.
We do? Okay,
Yeah.
alright. So if the weather was a little better, this place would be pretty awesome. There's a, where have I put that camera? Right in the way, haven't I? How about I'll move you over here. Fire pit right there, with some chairs around it and a bit of a table as well, sort of a bench. And out that way to the west, apparently really good sunsets out that way, and you can see why, because like it's just this great expanse of nothing. I mean, there is this machinery shed here, but that's okay. If you're watching the sunset, you're sort of looking that way anyway, aren't you? But they've got this cottage, this really old cottage, and the hosts said it was okay if we popped in here, seeing as how there's nobody, you know, it's not rented out at the moment. But have a look at this place. Like it's really old. So I've got a bedroom through there. Have a look at this fireplace over here. Oh, that's pretty awesome. And the kitchen, I'd like to show you the kitchen over here. It's not real light in here at the moment, but this is really old school. So they provide some burners and some water there, some tea and coffee making, but this is the old, I can't remember what Dennis called this now. You throw your dry ice in there, and then beside that you've got your areas for your food. Very old school fridge setup. But this is really cool. This would be really cozy in winter time with that fire going there. And through here, so the bathroom toilet area is quite well presented as well. And the one thing, so there is a shower there, and there's plenty of water obviously at the moment because of the rain. Now I'm going to have to get myself wet, I think, again here. To actually get yourself some hot water, what you need to do is under there, light a fire under that guy. It's got some coils in it, and that heats up your hot water, and you've got a hot shower. So how good is that?
This one's deep.
Morning.
Who you saying good morning to? Where's the camera? Oh, there it is. Hello. Usually you've got it up there.
So you mentioned a problem before, and I've just walked over here and I know what the problem is. We're not in the sun here.
The sunshine has gone away.
What is it? So it's got up to 14 degrees, and I only brought down one sort of hoodie, which is still wet in the back of the car, so I can't wear that at the moment. Just doing the same as yesterday morning, pretty much.
Similar but different.
Similar but different. So I had a few leftover burger rolls. You're just going to toast them up. Well, you've already done it, haven't you? That's what's in here?
Yep. You're going going to ruin the surprise.
Oh, I was trying to do a big reveal, but anyway, it'll have to wait till
Do the
later.
reveal when the reveal is ready to be revealed.
It'll have to wait till later.
Waste not, want not.
We can,
Eat over there. You want your big reveal?
let's come over here into the sunshine for the big reveal, shall we? Whoop. Oh wow. What do we got on top?
Chorizo and
Let's go.
okay, not so good with cold hands. Yeah.
Really big trees falling over there.
And apparently this lake is only...
We just had 3 of them. I suggest you're probably right. Pick them up on the way down, go back.
Yeah.